This vehicle puts numerous operations at your fingertips with its steering wheel mounted controls. Here's a rundown of how they operate, moving from left to right. The Bluetooth hands-free link buttons are arranged for easy use by the driver's left thumb. Press the pickup button to view speed dial or call history items on the MID, or to answer an incoming call. While viewing the speed dial or call history lists, press the left selector wheel to select an entry to call. The hang up back button is used to end a call or cancel a voice command. And the talk button is pressed when you want to give a voice command. Roll the left selector wheel up to increase audio system volume and down to decrease it. You can push on the wheel to mute the system and then push again to unmute. Plus, this control can be moved to the left and right to perform a variety of additional functions, depending upon the audio source being used. For example, while listening to a radio station, move the selector wheel to the right to select the next preset station or to the left for the previous preset. Hold the control to the right and it'll go to the next strong station. Hold it to the left and the previous strong station will be selected. When listening to music stored on media like CDs, the HDD, an iPod, or flash drive, moving the selector wheel to the right skips to the next song, and going to the left plays the beginning of the current song or the previous selection. On some media, holding the selector to the right will skip to the next folder of songs, and holding to the left will start the previous folder. Note that Pandora has some unique responses. Moving the wheel to the right skips to the next song. Holding the wheel to the right selects the next station, and holding it to the left will select the previous station. The source button below the left selector wheel cycles through all the audio modes. Moving to the right side of the steering wheel, the right selector wheel lets you cycle through the choices in the multi-information display. When using the MID to customize settings, pushing in on the selector wheel selects the highlighted choice. Pressing the trip button cycles through the odometer and 2 trip meter choices, while holding the trip button resets the displayed trip meter. And the buttons to the far right on the wheel operate the cruise control system in a manner familiar to most drivers.